This video I will explain how to create a PhonePe account. First we will see what is PhonePe. PhonePe is a mobile payment app that helps you to send money, receive money and pay bills using your phone. It works mainly using UPI, which connects directly to your bank account. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. Now we will see simple real life example. Imagine you go to the grocery shop. Instead of paying cash, you open PhonePe, you scan a QR code, enter the amount and pay. Money goes directly from your bank account to the shop owner's bank account in seconds. Now we will see what you need before creating an account. You need smartphone, active mobile number which is linked to your bank account, a bank account and internet connection. Now we will see how to create a PhonePe account. Step 1. Install the PhonePe app. Go to your phone's app store, search for PhonePe, download and install the app. Step 2. Open the app. Tap on the PhonePe app icon. The app will open and ask for your mobile number. Step 3. Enter your mobile number. Type your mobile number and this number should be same number linked to your bank account. Step 4. Verify with OTP. You will receive an OTP. OTP is nothing but one-time password. Enter the OTP in the app. What is OTP? OTP is a temporary password sent to your phone to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set your profile. Enter your name and set a password or app lock. This helps to keep your account secure. Step 6. Link your bank account. PhonePe will automatically show your bank accounts which are linked to your mobile number. Select your bank account. The app will connect to bank account using UPI. Step 7. Set UPI PIN. Create a UPI PIN, which is a secret number. Important concept is UPI PIN. UPI PIN is a secure password which is used to approve payments. Do not share this PIN with anyone. Step 8. Your account is ready. Now your PhonePe account is created successfully. You can send money, receive money, pay bills, recharge mobile, scan and pay at shops. I have opened Google Play Store, search for PhonePe. Here you can see PhonePe and you can install this. I already installed so that it is showing like this. And PhonePe app look like this. Now we will see real life use cases. Example 1. Sending money to friend. Your friend paid for lunch. Open PhonePe, enter their number, send 200 rupees. Example 2. Paying electricity bill. Open PhonePe, select electricity bill, enter details, pay instantly. Example 3. Paying at store. Scan QR code, enter amount, enter UPI PIN and payment is done. Now we will see the important tips. Always keep your UPI PIN secret. Never share your OTP with anyone. Use only the official PhonePe app. Double check payment details before sending the money.